man winter's on the way and we've got to look after those boxwoods. This is Nicholas Stadden with Monrovia Nursery talking about winter protection for boxwood. Gardeners always have to think ahead on what's going on in their garden. And one of the things that we're always thinking about is spring and how things will look. So if we want plants to look great in the spring, we have to take some protection and do some special measures during the winter months. And that's what we're going to talk about today with boxwoods. First and foremost, fertilization. Ease back on the fertilizer late summer. You don't want them pushing their new growth as they go into the autumn. In the warmer regions of the United States, boxwoods pretty much won't change. You really don't have to do any special protection, a little bit of fertilizer, keep them on the moist side. But if you're in one of the colder regions of the United States, Chicago, it's completely different. If you have plants in containers and they've been at the end of the driveway or a pathway or out in the front of the house, during the winter time they might get some abuse from really cold winter winds. So move them into a protected spot behind the wall, beside the garage, whatever it might be. Last thing, before they really go to sleep in the winter time, make sure you give them a really good drink. Take the hose pipe out there, the watering can, and really give them a good wetting. So you've taken care of all your pre-winter chores for the boxwood. Believe you me, they'll come out of winter into spring looking magnificent. This is Nicholas Stadden from Monrovia Nursery talking about winter protection for boxwood.